Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the Bullseye Pro Max Deluxe Tire Inflator with digital dual values display. Your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. Bullseye Rechargeable Tire Inflator uses powerful class-leading air compressor technology to pull in outside air and compress it before pumping it into the tire. It also features an auto-stop function that will automatically stop at your desired tire pressure, an independent battery level indicator screen that informs how much battery capacity is left available before needing a charge, and 3 nozzle attachments for a variety of uses in addition to several battery and power cable options. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Bullseye Pro Max Deluxe Quick Connector, User Manual, Air Nozzles. Product description: cordless inflator, battery pack, 12-volt DC car charger, 110 or 120 AC battery charger cord, flexible air hose with quick connector, on/off trigger, LED lights, digital LCD display, remaining battery power indicator, accessory compartment, battery pack release button, battery charger port, battery charging indicator light, USB-A auxiliary power port, nozzle, spare fuse, fabric carry bag. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.